Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of technology. To address the first question, what is technology? In a nutshell, technology is the use of scientific discoveries and inventions to solve problems and improve our lives. It encompasses a wide range of tools, machines, systems, and processes that are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Now on to the second question about the importance of technology. Technology has transformed our world in countless ways. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, work, play, and live. It has made information accessible from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks or taps. It has improved healthcare by introducing new methods of diagnosis and treatment. It has made transport faster and more efficient. In conclusion, technology is an integral part of our daily lives. It's become so intertwined with our lives that it's hard to imagine life without it. Thank you for joining me in this discussion about technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this one. Until next time, stay curious.